Hi everyone, David Fisher here. I'm the President, Chief Bottle Washer, and Head Sales Guy at Rockstar Consulting. I wanted to share an article that was posted on LinkedIn's Sales Solutions blog. It outlines how salespeople can amplify internal content that marketing creates with a simple LinkedIn video. Basically, it's a step-by-step process which shows how a salesperson can take existing content, like an article, a case study, or infographic, and make a video frame around it and then post that on LinkedIn. It helps salespeople share insights with prospects and customers, which leads to better conversations and more opportunities. And it aligns sales and marketing together. Also, the salesperson doesn't have to spend a lot of time doing it. If you're in sales or you lead a sales team, you can implement this program and supercharge your personal and company brand in the minds of your prospects. So take a look at the article and let me know what happens when you try it out.